G'day guys, this is Big T. Today I've got the Mazda BT50 in the workshop. I'm going to be fitting the Rockarmor Bullbar to it. I'm just going to go step by step just to show you guys how it's fitted. Now, with the Rockarmor Bullbar, the Ford Ranger and the BT50 is the same bullbar, so we're going to be using the same fitting structures. Just to start off, I've got my fitting kit. I've just laid it out on the table there. I'm just going to go ahead now, remove the grille, remove the front bumper bar so I can get started. Now strip the front of the vehicle there. So I've just unwrapped my winch cradle. Now the great thing with the Rockarmor Bullbar is the cradles are one piece. So it's very solid when winching. It's going to give you that extra strength and it's really easy install. So basically it's just going to sit straight over the chassis there, straight into place, and I'm going to use my factory points. Two on the front, then I've got a long bolt through the side, and then I'm going to go ahead and mount my winch. Okay, now I've got the winch cradle on. Just put your mounting points on the front, one on each side there. You're going to find these long bolts in your fitting kit. Just put the washer on it, slide that through the side of your chassis, pick it up on the other side with the flat, then your spring and the nut. Just do all those up hand tight. Get them done on both sides. Then just get your ruler and just center the bar. Make sure it's equal on both sides so the full bar sits right. Tighten it all up and we're going to be ready to mount our winch. Now I've gone through, tightened up all the nuts and bolts on the chassis there, so that's all nice and tight. If you're going to mount a winch, this is the time to do it. So the winch cradle comes already with the holes there ready for your winch to mount on. This vehicle's not getting a winch, so I'm going to go ahead and start my wiring. So just tap into your factory lights there, pick up your indicator and your park lights, get them ready. I'm just going to go ahead and do that now, then it's ready to put the bar on. That's how easy it is. Okay, so now I've just finished all my wiring, cradle's all tight, ready for the bar to go on. Okay, so I've got my bolts there, just put the flat washer. You've got three mounting points on either side. Just mount the bar on as so. I'm going to put the bolt through, then flat spring nut, and just tighten it all up. Okay, so I've just gone through, tightened up my bull bar. Now that's all in place. Just going to go through and do my wiring now. So on the bull bar you'll find the wiring there for your indicators, park lights. So the black is your negative, the yellow is the indicator, and the red is your park lights. And then you have the fog lights there. They'll just go straight to your fog lights on the vehicle. Black is the negative and the red is the positive. I'm just going to go through now, wire it all up, then I'll get my bash plates, finish the bottom, and then I'm going to do my bumper cut on top. Alrighty, so we've just tightened up the bull bar there. Now it's time for the bash plates. I finished all my wiring, tidied it all up. So in the kit you'll see these little plates here. There's two, one for the left, one for the right. They're just going to be joining our bash plates. I've got the 10 mils. Good. The great thing with the Rockarmor Bullbar is that all the nut certs are already in. All I'm going to do is put the bash plate in its place there. Get the 10 mils and straight into the bar. Now put all three in, leave them all loose at first, and then just to line them up and tighten them all up. Okay, now so we've got to the final part of the fitting of the bull bar, which is the bumper cut for the vehicle. So as you see there, we've got that gap just sitting on top of the bull bar right around. I've got my factory bumper bar here. I've just taped it up and I'm just going to go through and measure the points under the light, right around the front there, and just measure it off with my factory bar. Once I've got my points, it's just a straight cut right across the front. Now I've got my mark there, straight across, just with my air saw. Just going to get in there and cut a straight line across. Alright, so I've done my cut now. So as you see, I've just cut straight across the bar as so, so it's just going to sit on top there. Then just as we come underneath the light, it just tucks under. Put the grill back into place and you've got a really nice beautiful finish. Alright, so that's a really nice finish on the Rockarmor Bullbar for the BT50 Ford Ranger. I'm going to get the vehicle out of the workshop now and let's see how it looks. Alright guys, so I've got the BT50 out of the workshop. As you see, the Rockarmor Bullbar is a really good fit. Fits up nicely with the vehicle. 63mm tubes right around to give it that really tough look. Comes standard with the Rockarmor 3-piece protection underneath. You've got your built-in winch cradle to give you that extra strength when you're recovering. Overall, the Mazda BT50 Rockarmor Bullbar is a really great fit and is what you need for your vehicle. Thanks guys for watching and supporting all the Rockarmor videos out there. They're a big hit at the moment, so we just thank all you guys for all your support, and stay tuned for more Rockarmor videos coming your way. This is Big T, and I'll see you guys on the tracks.